what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick one today about the truck glow plug problems. We've got glow plug codes showing up. Had the truck in to my mechanic for some other issues, and they took a look at it and verified that the plugs themselves were okay and the harness was still okay, so it's the glow plug controller module. So I'm going to replace that. I've done that before a few years ago. That was bad. So it's not a difficult thing to get to or replace. We're going to get to it. It's going to be fast, and I'll show you the codes that I'm getting, and we'll get to it. Got to swap the vehicles around and get the truck up here so we can get after it. And there's a part number in case you're interested. All right, let's take a look at it real quick. This is it. Not much to it. Just got 2 connectors and 2 bolts. That's it. It sits right on the passenger side valve cover, so it's not too bad. So the controller is right down behind this charge pipe right here, right in here. So I'm gonna take that charge pipe off just so we can get to everything easier. Get this lower one. There's that one. So this is the hard one on the bottom here. I don't know if I'm probably blocking you completely. I don't remember how I got in here last time for this, to be honest. How did I do that? So far, not so good. Let's see. That one loose. I've seen some of them, I don't know if it was based on year, but they were turned this way, so they're much easier access.
Have they seen your motor yet?
What's that?
Have they seen your engine yet?
Yeah.
The blue?
Yeah, I showed them my alternator and stuff.
It's gorgeous. This is going to prove to be very difficult. Can't get it that way. Oh, getting close. Close. I think we're on it now. Oops. Okay. Yep, that's that. No, there's no other way I don't want to drop this nut, but I'm going to end up, I'm sure, dropping it. Nope, got it. Wow, how'd that happen? Just the two. Those are 10 millimeters. Still rolling, right? Yep. Okay, that comes off like that, and then you just got to get these. Yeah, then you just got to get these two connectors off. Which is always easier said than done. I'm just using the screwdriver to get that started. I already had it pulled. So I got that one and that one. That's it. Yeah, I don't know why that plastic is deformed there, but now we'll grab the new one. So I like to use some of this connector grease to keep the contacts from corroding. I guess it helps if you tear in the appropriate place, but Mommy, I'm going to put some of this into each one of these and then rub it on the contacts. Like that. And then just with my fingers, I'm going to rub that on these contacts. All right, that's that. Now I'm going to wipe my fingers off. All right. Then two connectors right back on. Just like that on the two bolts, studs I should say. Okay.
Not too bad.
No, now I just need to get my
Those two nuts right there.
Get them started. That and
The hard one.
yeah. Got it started. And then I just need to snug them both up, and that will be that. This doesn't have to be overly tight. You don't have to be a gorilla with these. Let's see if I can get this back on here again. Who? The gorillas. That's funny. Oh, I think I got it. I think. Yep. Get underneath that. Okay. That's that. Let's see, I should go under the coolant. All right, so we're gonna slide this back on here all the way till it stops, like that. And then I left the clamp on here. I know I'm blocking you, but
Bring that clamp back in. Then we connect it up here where it goes into the turbo. Right here. Right there. Like that. Okay, and then we just tighten both of those clamps up. All right, back in here. All right. All right. I'm just going to tighten this one up just a little more. Okay. All right, let's get in the truck and see if we fixed it. All right, so we're going to start it for the first time here. All right, so the check engine light's still on. I haven't, make sure you're pointing, we're interested in this check engine light. So check engine light's on because I haven't reset the codes yet. So we're gonna go up here. All right. Stop data log. Let's read the codes. I want you guys to see what the codes are. So there they are, 2, 4, 6, 8. These P067s are all glow plug. So that's one whole bank. So I'm going to, so that's where we're at. All right, now we're going to clear the codes. All right, that's done. And then back to gauges. All right, so now we're going to shut her off. I don't know how many times that error has to happen before you know for sure if you got it or not. But, so we're going to restart, see if we get the light. So far, so good. All right, that's that. So this is the old one. We got a pretty cool little paperweight doorstop. Whatever you want to do with it. It wasn't too bad. Getting to that bottom bolt nut was the hardest part, and it didn't take too long. And anyway, hope you guys like this. Hope you guys like the truck content. There'll be more of that, and please, if you don't mind, subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Help me out a lot. So appreciate it. You guys have a good day and be blessed. What?
Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below.